Hey, Keith Van Wimmer, Vantech Consulting. Quick video to discuss ETA certification maintenance. So when you are ETA certified, you have a lifetime certification, but it does require that you provide certification maintenance. What that requirement is 6 hours of continuing education credits or continuing education units per year and a $25 maintenance fee per year. Now you can do this annually, biannually, triannually, or every 4 years, whatever you want. One of the values of the ETA website is the fact that when you do your CECs and do a course, let's say, on Vantech Learning, you can get your certificate and then actually upload it into the repository here. So in order to do that, again, you're going to come up to the member login. Now, if you have not created your account, feel free. It doesn't cost anything. Just sign up. So once you're in here and have logged in, you go up to the certifications link here and you go down to the report CEU, so continuing education units. Okay, so once you're in your repository where you can get your CEU credit history, we're going to do a report. So we're going to choose our CEUs or CECs. We're going to do a quantity of 2 hours. Date received, we'll just call that today for grins. And then whatever the course was, so, OTDR training. Once you have that, then you go ahead and you can choose the file you're going to upload. So we're going to pick our 2-hour certificate. So one of the things you want to do when you upload your certificate is to make sure that the certificate does say how many hours you've spent in the course. And then, for example, ours has anything on the Vantech Learning site gives you a completion code so people can go in there and actually look it up and make sure that that's you. So once that's done, you do a save, and that now will sit in your repository with a quantity of 2 hours. So as you build your hours and keep stacking these in and doing another entry, we'll do another 2 hours here. Loss testing. Choose file. Again, we'll just use the same certificate, and then we save that. So now our repository shows that we have a total of 4 hours in there. So when you renew your certificate, they would make sure that you have the correct number of hours for the maintenance period. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Make sure, though, when you do this, you also have to do your maintenance forms. Again, you would do your online certification maintenance, enter in your name, all that fun stuff, who you are, email, and then put your continuing education hours. And then you also have to do employer verification. So remember that you have to remain in the fiber optic industry to maintain your certificate. If you go and you're an auto mechanic now, you're not going to be able to maintain that certificate. Okay, so you do have to remain in the fiber optic industry. So that's it. Fairly simple process. The beauty of this is that all your certificates are there. They're available for you. You have them in this repository, so you don't have to dig through your email to try and find them. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and we'll get back to you. Until next time, thanks for watching.